The 2025 floods in Manipur have brought to light the urgent need to understand and address the root causes and propose effective solutions. This presentation will delve into the factors contributing to the floods and explore potential remedies. Yamba Maroon Mite, a prominent figure in various organizations, will guide us through the complexities of the Manipur floods. He will explore why these floods occur and what can be done to prevent them in the future. The 2025 floods have had a devastating impact, affecting over 56,000 people and damaging more than 10,000 houses. Key areas like Imphal Valley and surrounding regions have been severely hit, with water levels now decreasing as relief operations continue. Deforestation and land degradation, particularly due to illegal poppy cultivation and shifting agriculture, have significantly contributed to the floods. These practices reduce the land's ability to absorb rainwater, leading to increased surface runoff and severe soil erosion. The outdated drainage system in Greater Imphal, coupled with encroachment and vanishing wetlands, has exacerbated flooding. These issues prevent effective water drainage, leading to severe waterlogging even with moderate rainfall. Unregulated riverbed mining increases the speed and volume of water flow, destabilizing riverbanks and worsening floods. The extraction of stones and sand from riverbeds is a critical issue that needs immediate attention. Climate change is causing more intense rainfall in shorter periods, leading to flash floods in Manipur. The state has seen frequent flooding episodes with increasing frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Failures in governance and long-term planning have allowed illegal activities and poor soil management to persist. Inconsistent enforcement and regional instability further hinder coordinated flood management efforts. To mitigate flooding, it is crucial to strictly enforce bans on unregulated riverbed mining. This measure will help stabilize riverbanks and reduce the speed and volume of water flow, addressing one of the root causes of the floods. Launching massive afforestation efforts using indigenous species can help restore the ecological balance. Prioritizing areas affected by illegal poppy cultivation will also provide alternative livelihoods and reduce deforestation. Introducing watershed conservation structures and empowering local communities to manage forests can significantly reduce soil erosion and runoff. These measures will help mitigate the impact of floods in the long term. Revamping drainage systems by desilting and upgrading infrastructure is essential to handle current and future rainfall volumes. Removing encroachments will ensure effective water flow and prevent urban flooding. Restoring natural wetlands and strengthening river embankments with eco-friendly techniques can absorb excess water and prevent flooding. Implementing floodplain zoning will also help manage flood-prone areas effectively. Developing an integrated flood management strategy with interdepartmental coordination is vital. Utilizing technology like GIS and early warning systems will enhance flood risk mapping and timely dissemination of warnings. Raising public awareness and engaging communities in flood management planning are crucial steps. Addressing illegal activities and mobilizing resources through public-private partnerships will strengthen flood resilience. By addressing these root causes with a coordinated and long-term approach, Manipur can significantly mitigate the impact of future floods. Building resilience against climate change is essential for the region's sustainable development.